We all know that the second wave of corona in India is immensely dangerous and has affected many lives. But the Department of Media and Mass Communication has decided not to stop but to fight with all the difficulties and make a remarkable history. The students and the faculty took this pandemic as a challenge and decided not to stop but to give more attention to studies and activities. Along with this, faculty also decided to introduce students with some renowned personalities through webinars. So, with this thought, the teachers had organized many webinars on different topics which were really of great use in getting extreme knowledge. On 8th of May, the third session was conducted on the topic of Sahityic Patrakaritta Ka Yug Beet Gaya Kya. The session was hosted by Dr. Sarika Takhar, HOD of the department. Dr. Batsara welcomed the guest of honor, Shri Kamlesh Bhartiya, former president of Haryana Granth Academy, who is also a great writer and has written many inspirational books. He addressed the students of mass communication, where students actively attended the session and a very sound lecture was given by him. And while summing up the session, Dr. Batsara also said that Media and Mass Communication Department will look forward and as lockdown ends, will surely arrange a live session for students with Mr. Bharatiya. And then on 15th of May, it was the best session arranged by the department, which was a poetry competition named Kavi Ki Kavitanjali, which was judged by a well-known personality, a public face to more than 10,000 people of India, a well-known writer and publisher who has also served as a personal media advisor to many chief ministers, none other than Dr. Vipin Gaur, who is presently the editor-in-chief of Country and Politics. He was welcomed by Dr. Sarika. In session, many students have recited their self-written poetry and composition. Not only the students, but Dr. Soni and Dr. Vipin also recited their self-composed poetry, which became a boost for the participants. In the competition, Asta Tiwari got first position with its composition on the theme Corona, and the second position was grabbed by Manan Parekh, who shared his feelings through a poetry. At the end, Dr. Vipin told that his composition Kalam Todni Padti Hai is a piece of his self-experience in his work. Then Dr. Sarika ended up with her sweet vote of thanks to both the guest and the audience who shared their precious time for the session. On 22nd of May, the department organized a program with one of the best renowned media educator, expert lecturer and a trainer from Fakshala, Dr. Pragya Kaushik, who explained the topic of understanding, handling, debunking information misapprehension. The session was moderated by our HOD Dr. Sarika and was coordinated by Mr. Raj Mishra, Associate Professor, and Dr. Vinod Soni, Assistant Professor. It was a very informative session for the students by Dr. Pragya on how people are getting affected by corona and what kind of fake news are circulated in this situation of pandemic. She said that fakes are everywhere, but facts are optional. She also introduced many apps to the students to use in day-to-day life for searching the real facts behind any story. At the end, Mr. Mishra gave his vote of thanks and said that he also learned many things from his session and appreciated Dr. Pragya for such nice informative session for the students, and also promised that as the situation gets normal, we will have the physical presence of Dr. Pragya in between the students.
Here I would like to extend a warm welcome to all eminent personality, media dignitaries, faculty members and students present over here in the national webinar, Ethical Role of Media and Bollywood Industry. In present scenario, so I find immense pleasure in introducing our honorable chief guest, Professor K.G. Suresh sir. The presence of such a personality in our webinar is a blessing. He is currently serving as a Vice Chancellor of Makhanlal Chaturvedi National University of Journalism and Communication, Bhopal. So now it's high time to call a learned academician, Professor Sanjeev Dhanavat sir, Editor Communication Today and former head Center for Mass Communication, former ONI Director, Center for Gen Studies, former ONI Director and Administrative Services Pre-Entry Training Center. So now, moving forward, now I would like to call on Miss Shine Soni, Miss Jasmine India 2020, from making clothes for her Barbie dolls to having her own label and brand to become famous fashion designer involves many talent hunts and photo shoots, costume trials, and still will represent India at next year's Miss International Queen. She broke stereotypes in entertainment and media industry. So it's time to call our next guest. So I would like to call Mr. Ashok Tyagi sir to enlighten the audience with his precious words as we begin with this event. So here is a brief intro of him. Mr. Ashok Tyagi is a renowned filmmaker and he is associate member Institute of Company Secretaries of India, directed Surkhiyan, Andher Gardi, Return of Jewel Thief, Bharat Bhagya Vidhata, Darde Disco, Riyasat, starring Rajesh Khanna, Vibhajan Ka Tandav, and currently directing Red, starring Krishna Abhishek and Payal Ghosh. Also worked as the Secretary of Indian Motion Pictures Producer Associations and currently working as Secretary General of International Chamber of Media and Entertainment Industry. So, परिंदों से परवाज है ऊंची, लक्ष्य